lease transfer. Why transfer a lease? Your client may be facing selling his business, so they have to transfer the lease to the buyer. And number two is relocation. They may be relocating to a different city. And number three, they may be shutting down their business. One way of transferring lease is called lease assignment. The new tenant will assume the original lease agreement, and the current tenant will not be released from responsibilities. If the new tenant defaults, the old tenant is still liable to pay rent for the remaining terms. New tenant pay rent and deposit to the landlord directly. And second way is called sublease. The current tenant becomes the sublandlord, and sublease cannot be longer than the head lease. Sublease can have different terms and price, but terms cannot be in conflict of the head lease. New tenant pays rent and deposit to the sublandlord. So how do you do the deal? Offer to lease between current tenant and the new tenant, subject to landlord approval, city approval of usage, and etc. Landlord or sublandlord lawyer will prepare a lease assignment or sublease agreement. Legal document fees paid by either the current tenant or the new tenants. All three parties sign the agreement, and then deposit paid to the landlord or the sublandlord, same as the rent. And then you're done.